In 4.8 एक्टिविटी वोकेबलरी प्रेफिक्सेस स्टूडेंट्स, अगर हम ये कुछ वर्ड्स हैं, इनको अगर हम किसी स्टेम वर्ड के साथ लगा दें तो मीनिंग चेंज, उसके अगेंस्ट में मीनिंग आ जाता है। अन, इट, अन, इल, इम, इन, इर, ये हमें किन मीनिंग्स में हम इसको लेते हैं? अन जो उसको ऑपोजिट मीनिंग में ले जाता है, और इल, इम, इन, ir, like that. There are given some verbs. We use the appropriate prefixes. It is used to there are given the verb legal, illegal, responsible, irresponsible, mobile, immobile, mature, immature, rational, irrational, pleasant, unpleasant, refutable, irrefutable, probably, unprobably, literate, illiterate. Complete the following table with the either meanings of each word. Example for the sentence using words: prolong their meaning, to make the something last longer. Example: do not prolong the speech competition. Transplant, to move some things to the different place. After some weeks, transplant seedlings to an open field. Expand, to spend. Will the chemical expend a lot of heat? Potassium will added to it. Intervenes, to take action is suitable that you are in the. Example: the president intervenes personally in the crisis. Subvert, तबाह बर्बाद कर देना. The destroy something, power and influence. PPP has the subvert. Impend, to delay and stop the progress. यानी कि tie the loose ends the bag so that they will not impede your movement. Confer, to discuss something with the someone to order to make the decisions. He wanted to confer with his friends before making an revision. Maltreat, to treat people or animal unkindly or violently. Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, ordered not to maltreat the animals. In 4.9, there are some situations. We use the appropriate verb in the suitable place. We purchase any Whiz bicycle. Components 1 year warranty. We granted that Whiz built bicycle will be free from the defect material of the workshop. The warranty exclude, यहाँ हमने exclude जो है verb add करना है. The warranty exclude tires, tubes, brakes, shoes and cables. This there are given the verb be. This warranty is not inclusive for the not be inclusive of shipping and labor charges. Our company always replace. We place the verb of replace. Always replace any defective components from this bicycle. Please write to us at the above address. Right. Let us know what happened to the bicycle components. We always replace the original damaged frame model with another one of the equal value.